In this video, we will see dry run of the code.
Now let's quickly see the dry run of this code. So R pointer is pointing to 0, R pointing is pointing 0, L is pointing here. Object, so this is my object, maximum frequency with 0. Okay, so this is starting from 0 and max is also starting from 0 and n is s dot length. So what is n here? It is 8. Okay, and while r is less than n, so r is less than n, yes it is. I will come here and I will check if a is undefined. Yes, a is undefined, so I will define it in my object. Okay, and my maximum frequency I will update it. So what is the frequency of object of sr? Okay, that is 1. And what is max of f? That is 0 right now. Okay, so which is higher, 1 or 0? Like this will basically calculate the max of object of SR and max of F. So which is higher? That is this object of SR higher, 1 value. So I will say the maximum frequency right now is 1. And yes, that's true. We have only A, right? So maximum frequency is A. R is pointing to 0, L is pointing to 0, maximum frequency is 1. Now R minus L plus 1. Okay. So 0 minus 0 plus 1 will be 1. Okay, minus maximum frequency, that is 1, that is 0. So can I say, is it greater than k? No, k is here, that is 2, so it is not greater. Okay, so I will come here and I will check, is r minus l plus 1 minus max of f is less than k, and yes, this 0 is less than k. Okay, so what I will do, I will update my max. So max will take r minus l plus 1, that is 1 only, 0 minus 0 plus 1, so that is 1, and it will update to 1. Okay, so let me put this with the red pen, and the next iteration I will put with yellow pen. Now r pointer will move. Okay, r will be here, so r will be at 1. Okay, l is at 0. Again I will define a is defined. Is he is undefined? No, he is defined. So what I will do, I will update the frequency to 2. Now maximum frequency will be the object of SR. Yes, that is 2. So maximum frequency will be 2. Now what is R minus L plus 1 minus max F? So R, that is 1, minus 0 plus 1, that will give me 2. And now 2 minus maximum frequency, that is 1. So it will be 1, which is again less than K, right? So I won't come under here. I will come here, right? And what will be my new max? So R minus L plus 1, 1 minus 0 plus 1, that will be 2. So my max will be updated to. Again, my R pointer will move. R will be at 2. Okay, L is still at 0. So is B is defined? No, B is not defined in the object. So I will define B, right? I will define with this. What will be the maximum frequency? So maximum frequency of object of SR B, and the last maximum frequency, that was 2. So maximum frequency will be still 2. Okay. Now R minus L plus 1 maximum F. So what is R? That is 2 minus 0 plus 1. That will be 3 minus maximum frequency. What is maximum frequency? 2. 3 minus 2 is still less than K, right? Can I say still less than K? Yes. So I won't come under here. Okay, I will come here and I will update the max. What is R minus L plus 1? That is 3. I will update it 3. Now again, R pointer will move. Okay, R will move. R will be 3. L is at 0. Maximum frequency. B is defined already. So I will update the frequency. So what is the maximum frequency here? Object of SR, new object, or the last frequency? That is the only maximum. Yes, 2 is the only maximum here. So I will move and I will check R minus L plus 3 minus 0 plus 1. That will be 4. 4 minus 2 is less than K. Yes, it is less than equals to K, right? So it is equals to K, and it's a valid zone. Okay, so we will move here and we will say yes, it is less than equals to K. So update the maximum. Maximum will be 4. Remember, maximum will be R minus L plus 1. 3 minus 0 plus 1. That will be. Again, you will move your R pointer. R pointer will be pointing to 2, 4. L is at 0. Okay. Now, is C is defined? Is C is defined? No, it is undefined. So I will define with 1. Now again, what is the maximum frequency as of now? That is 2 only. I will put 2. Now I will come here, is r minus l plus 1. What is r minus l? 4 minus 0 plus 1, that is 5, minus 2. Is it less than equals to k? No, right? This is now greater than k. Okay, this is now greater than k. So I will come here. Now I will come under this condition. And what I will do, I will update in my object. So what I will do, I will update in my object. So I will now increase the frequency to 1 and I will move my L pointer. I will move my L pointer. So now L pointer will be here. Okay. And I will come here after this if condition, single if condition. I will come here. I will check what is my R minus L plus 1. So remember, now your L is changed, right? Now your L is changed. Now your L is not 0. L is 1. Okay. So what is R minus L plus 1? 4 minus 1 plus 1. That will be 4. So again, your maximum will be 4. Now you can see from here onwards, okay, when we were breaking the condition, like here we are breaking the condition, we got this as a correct result, AAB. But when we added C, okay, we were breaking the condition. So now we are moving constant, right? Moving with a constant direction. Okay, we are not decreasing it, but we are. So what we are saying, we got the maximum 4, okay, but from 4 we won't go to 3 or 2. We will move with the 4 and we will look for the better solution, maybe 5 or 6. Okay, so now again I will come here, R is still less than N. Okay, so what I will do, I will move. Okay, so there is one thing missing here. There should be one R plus plus. Okay, how you will get to know that you need to move R. So there will be an R plus plus. And yes, so R will be now 5. Okay, so R will be at 5. L is at 1. What is maximum frequency? What is maximum frequency? Is it 1, 2? Yes, it is still 2, right? So what I will do, I will again move and I will check R minus L plus 1. 5 minus 1 plus 1 will be 5 minus maximum frequency 2. Is it great? Is it less than K? No, it is greater than K. Again, I will come to this condition, okay? And I will delete one more element, right? So what I will do, I will delete one more element. Just before 1 second, let me take this case again. My R pointer is here, okay? My R pointer is at 5. Now, is R is less than N? Yes. Is object of S of R is undefined? What is the of element B? B is defined. So what I will do, I will update the frequency. This is the third B. So now the frequency will be 3. And now if this is the frequency, what will be my maximum frequency? It will update, right? It will be now 3. Okay. L is still pointing to 1. Now, what will be your R minus L plus 1? R minus L. R 5 minus 1 plus 1 will be 5. Maximum frequency 3. And that is less than equals to K. Right? So I won't come under this condition. I will come under this condition here and I will update my maximum. What is my maximum? That is 5. Right? R minus L plus 1. I will say this is my 5. Again, my R pointer will move. My R pointer will move. R will be at 6. Now here, L pointer is still at 1. Okay. And now I will again update the frequency of B to 4. What is my maximum frequency now? What is my maximum frequency? That is 4. Okay. So what I will do, I will again check R minus L plus 1. R is R minus L plus 1. 6 minus 1 plus 1 will be 6 minus 4. Is it less than equals to K? Yes, it is. Right. So what I will do, again, I won't fall in this condition and I will come to this condition. So I will put 6 R minus L plus 1. That is 6. Again, we will move. Okay, I will move my pointer. I will be at 7. L is it pointing to 1. Now, is A is defined? Yes, E is defined. So I will update the frequency of 2. But what is my maximum frequency? Maximum frequency is the last max that we got. That is 4 only. Right? This is my maximum frequency. And now I will do 7 R minus L plus 1. 7 minus 4 Is it less than equals to k? No, it is greater than k, right? So now if it is greater than k, I will come inside this condition. Okay, I will do object of SL minus minus. So I will simply subtract this. We have already subtracted this. I will subtract this one. It will be with a value of 1 and my L pointer will move. Now L is pointing to 2. So now L is pointing to 2. Okay. And now what will be your R minus L plus 1? 7 minus 2. Okay. That will be 5 plus 1. That will be again 6. So which is equal to your previous maximum. Then what you will do? You will move your R point. Okay. And if you move your R pointer, that's the end of the loop. So what is the maximum answer we are getting here? That is 6. And this is our answer. Okay. So I missed this one condition here. Okay. And that is here that we need to add R plus plus. Remember that how our loop will move. Loop will move in this direction. R should be less than N. So how we need to move it? We will simply move it by using R plus plus. So remember this while loop, there should be an R plus plus. Okay. Yeah. This is the dry run of this approach. Okay. I hope you got it. In the next video, we will solve one again. No problem.